ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣವಾಯ್ತಾ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್? ಹೀಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂತಹ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಚಂದು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ, ಚಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯ ಮಗಳು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮಳೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಬಸ್ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಕಾರಿನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯೋ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಂತಹ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಸ್ಗೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಕಾರು ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದಂತಹ ಪರಿಣಾಮದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾಹೀನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ತಲುಪ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾಹೀನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ತಲುಪಿದಂತಹ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಅವರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಚಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯರು ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಘಾತ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನ ತಲುಪತ್ತೆ. ಈ 20 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಚಂದು. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ದುರಂತ ಅಂತ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕಿರುತೆರೆ ನಟಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
We were traveling from Bangalore to Hyderabad. We started here from 2:30 in the afternoon. We started and it was in heavy rain between like 5 to 7 o'clock. It was 3 hours complete rain. Because of rain we were in the middle of the traffic. After that it was like we completely like tired, like we were traveling from the other place, so we were tired, we were completely asleep. In the car there was 4 people. Driver was there. Beside driver there was like Pavitra's sister daughter was there. I was beside the driver. Pavi was beside me. Pavitra was beside me. We were traveling. We were completely in the sleep mode, and suddenly like driver hit in the. He was telling that he was traveling on the 60 feet road. Suddenly the RTC bus came and hit into the Scorpio vehicle. He suddenly with like tense he drew this. Like wheel to the right side, it went out into the speed breaker and hit into the standard bus. And actually, to be frank, no one got hurted. Only myself got hurted, and here I got a fracture also. Here I got a fracture, and my head was damaged. Till my knowledge, there was no one was hurted. Like Pavitra was also like it wasn't. She's having some like intensity, and she was in the shock. She was like saying. Suddenly she saw me. What? क्या? ఏమైంది నాన్న बोल के she was into the stop breath. Okay, she was into the stop breath, and I was into the unconscious mode. Unconscious in the sense like I think someone was telling it was into 12:40 to 1 between in the midnight, and ambulance. The major problem is ambulance only. Ambulance came late, around 20 minutes late. Came late 20 minutes around. I thought today Pavi will be alive. Ambulance came 15 minutes late. So I was unconscious and we went to hospital. I was unconscious. Suddenly like they woke me up. They said the reason like so and so. In that gap like I don't know, without my knowledge I hit in every doctors and they were saying to admit me for 1 day of in mental hospital. Because of that shock I was doing something else. So Pavi was not there.
What's the other condition?
No one was hurted. No one got hurted. And the lucky is the front balloons was open.
But the reason is you not get the intim of the ambulance.
Yes.
Your good name?
My name is Chandu and I am from Telugu film industry. And me and Pavitra we worked couple of projects. And we were like working from 4 years in Trineni serial, which is same coming into Kannada also. And the bad luck is this 24-25 we are about to sign the Kannada movie also. With the D boss we were about to see the movie.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸುದ್ದಿ ಖಚಿತ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ.